Initial D.
You.
Yep, it's me. That's the reason why I challenge you to race with me for the second time, because there's no way that an 8.6 can beat my all-wheel drive Celica.
Okay, well, first of all, did you still remember about the time when you stole my girlfriend from me when I was parking the spot that I wanted to chill out, huh? Did you?
Yes, I did remember that, and I totally regret everything that I've did to your girlfriend. I don't know why I was acting so abusive to her like this. I am terribly sorry for that. Trust me, I won't do that to her ever again.
Well, I'm holding you onto that trust, I guess. And also, repeat the one that I came here for you to challenge me.
And you know that there's no way that your 8.6 is way faster than my all-wheel drive Celica, because you know that all-wheel drive cars run way much better than rear-wheel drive cars. And you know that my car has more horsepower and more faster than yours.
Bro, second of all, what makes you think that your Celica GT4 has more horsepower and more faster than mine when my 8.6 is—
Shut up and let's get this over with before we continue complaining. And after the race, if you win, then I guess I'll leave you alone. But if I win, you're going to prove yourself wrong and you'll totally regret saying that. Now just get in our cars, would you?
Okay, then fine. Jeez, why is this guy being such a jerk?
Max power, 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 max power.
3, 2, 1. Go!
This will probably shock him in his rearview mirror.
Not a bad move there, bud, but you'll have to do better than that. And you better look out because an all-wheel drive car will blast for the past. Get it? Okay, never mind, that was a bad pun. I'm sorry about that, guys.
Oh my god, did he seriously did the same drift technique that I've did earlier? That's so crazy, bro. I never expected that, but I'm not falling for this once again. I'm not losing this, because everyone knows me that I'm the #1 driver at Akina. And my car will always never let me down without overtaking him, which will shock him even more. But maybe I gotta do it sooner, like almost near to the finish line. My plan has always never failed on me so many times, so this should be perfect.
A long line would help me to get the 86 lose a lot of advantage, and it will be no problems whatsoever.
Now,
Are you freaking kidding me? How can this guy always use the same thing as everyone else does? That's so impossible. I'm literally driving an all-wheel drive Celica, for gosh sake. How was he gaining on me like this? This is so unbelievable.
well, everything for me is always so easy, and I always have no problems whatsoever.
Max power, maximum, and higher.
Man, I should have just stayed calm and to not yell like this, but I just couldn't control it. Hey Gray, listen to me. I'm so sorry for being mean to you, and I'm also very sorry for stealing your girlfriend. I really shouldn't have done all of this. I still don't know why I was so abusive anyways.
I mean, I guess I could forgive you, but I think it's best for you to let me cool down before I have enough time to fully forgive you for this, because I'm still so mad about what you've done.
Yeah, I know, and I'm so sorry about that. For now on, I'll just go, if I want to. I'll let you cool down. See ya.
Good. That's the right thing to do. And I better not see you do this ever again, or else I'll call my buddy Sideswipe and Bumblebee about this. You're so cute, babe.
And you're such the best drifter ever, that I love you so much.
Thaw, me too. Come here, babe.